Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on renaming your PC on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, click the Start menu button from the bottom toolbar. In the search bar, search for Settings and open them. Here in the main settings, it shows your PC and PC name at the top. Simply click on Rename to give your computer a new name. Enter the new desired name without spaces and then click Next. Your computer will have to restart before the new name takes effect. You can choose to restart now or do it later. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.